Hello, and welcome to the first episode of Interviews. Tonight, we'll be interviewing a fan of some sorts of the New Orleans Saints, the football team, who has won the Super Bowl last Sunday. So, what was your name again? Jackson. Alright, Jackson, how do you feel about the Saints winning the Super Bowl?
Who that say we're gonna beat them Saints? Who that? Who that?
Okay, what was that all about?
Oh, it's kind of like one of our team chants, you know? We always just support our players, you know? Who that?
Yes, thank you. That was quite pleasant. So, tell me, how do you feel about this whole situation?
Oh, I feel awesome, man! Yeah! Go Saints! Who that?
Alright, you could stop that, please. So, do you feel like this will put Louisiana on the map?
Who that say we're gonna beat them?
Okay, shut up. Alright? That who that crap is starting to get to me. So you either shut up, or I'll kick you out of the goddamn studio. Okay? So, how do you feel about the Saints winning their first ever Super Bowl?
It's pretty good, yeah, I guess.
What? What, you're not gonna say who that? You're not gonna say it? Not after I just yelled at you?
Hey, I think I hear my mom calling.
Okay then. Well, that was our first episode of Interviews. Good night. What the hell?